Hello guys, welcome back. Today's topic is liquidity, what it really means, and why it's so important in trading. Most traders think the market moves because of patterns. But in reality, the market moves because of liquidity. If you don't understand liquidity, you will always feel like, market came just to take my stop loss. So today, let's clearly understand. What is liquidity, where it is found, and why the market hunts it? Liquidity is usually found where most traders think the same way. For example, double tops and double bottom. Double tops and double bottom happen when the market comes back to a level to grab liquidity before moving again. Higher highs and lower lows. Higher high and lower lows are created as the market moves to grab liquidity above highs and below lows. Trend line. The market breaks trend lines to take liquidity before moving in the real direction. Sideways market. In a sideways market, liquidity builds around highs and lows until the market grabs it and make a strong move. Why? Because that's where traders place. Stop losses and pending orders. To the market, these areas are liquidity pools. When price moves slowly or ranges, liquidity is building. The market does not break levels randomly. First it moves towards liquidity. Then it grabs stop losses. That's why you see. Breakout looks perfect. Trader enters. Market reverse. Stop loss gets hit. It's not manipulation. It's execution. Many traders wait for candlestick confirmation only. But real confirmation is not a candle, it's liquidity. An order block or fear value gap alone is not enough. If price reaches that area without grabbing liquidity, the setup is weak, especially in gold. Liquidity grab is very important. Liquidity is the fuel of the market. The market moves to where orders exist. If you start marking liquidity instead of chasing entries, your trading will change completely. This is how liquidity works and why the market moves the way it does. If you want more videos on concepts like this, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments below.